how to use Gcash in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Gcash in Lazada. Start by opening the Lazada application on your mobile device. Browse through Lazada and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you have added all the items to your cart, tap on the cart icon and then tap on Checkout. During the checkout process, when prompted to choose a payment method, select Gcash. You'll be directed to the Gcash payment page. Enter your Gcash mobile number and confirm the payment amount. You may receive an OTP on your registered Gcash mobile number. Enter this OTP to authorize the transaction. After entering the OTP, confirm the payment details and tap on Confirm or Pay Now to complete the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation from Lazada that your order has been placed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.